what do you think will be the best performing commodity, monetarily wise, of 2026?
That's a good question. I would probably say I like copper a lot. Oil I like as well. There's an oddball play right now that no one's talking about, and that is actually nickel. And so what's happened fundamentally with nickel is about 60 or 65% of the world's supply of nickel comes from Indonesia and the Philippines. It's lateritic nickel, which is very kind of, how can I describe it? It's basically like difficult to process, it's very capital intensive, and it's kind of dirty, right? Well, what Indonesia has been doing is they've kind of been sidestepping what most people would consider like average environmental standards, and they've simply just been washing the tailings into the ocean and destroying their forests. I think the Indonesian people have finally had enough of that, and so the government has finally responded saying that they're going to decrease nickel output for 2026. I've heard as much as 30%. Some are saying a little bit higher, but suffice it to say, it looks like Indonesia is going to start curbing some of their exports of nickel. Right now, we're in a nickel surplus. If they can curb those exports, we're going to be coming into a nickel deficit, which, supply-demand dynamics, less supply, same increasing demand, then we should have a re-rating here, I think, in the price. As the price comes up in nickel, that's going to incentivize other nickel miners around the world that have essentially been put out of business in the last half a decade because nickel prices were so suppressed, they couldn't do it profitably. I believe that a lot of the sulfide nickel miners around the world are going to actually say, hey, these numbers work now, and now we can do it profitably since Indonesia is having to clean up their act. So I'm pretty excited about some select sulfide nickel miners in the West and other parts of the world other than Indonesia. So if I had to pick one for 2026, I think I'd probably pick nickel.